All right, so this is our last session 4 in lesson 23, find equivalent fractions. It says writing a whole number as a fraction with a denominator of 1. So it's a little review from what we did yesterday, right? Okay. Now, it says use fraction tiles to model uh, the whole number 2 with halves, thirds, and fourths. So that means this. Look, on your composition book, draw this for me. So pretend this is two whole numbers, okay? That's one whole and another whole. That's 2. It says that I need to divide I need to divide into halves, right? So like this, halves. So how many halves is that? How many halves? Yes. So 2, 2 equals, oops, that's way too big. 2 equals 4 halves, okay? Then it says to divide each whole into thirds. So I'm going to do that. Oops. Wait. Something like that. Don't worry about the model. Write the fractions for me. So now, how many thirds do I have in two whole numbers? What is it? 6. Okay. Just write the fractions out for me, and I'm doing the models for you. Now it says that I need to divide each whole into what? What's my denominator right here? Fourths. Divide it in. Oh, not that color. Let's do purple. I'm dividing into halves first, and then I'm going to divide it into halves again. Okay. Now, how many fourths are there in two whole numbers? 8. Just like that. Okay? Perfect. So it says Justin picks 4 green peppers. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 peppers. He does not cut them. Okay? So they stay whole, right? It says, how can you write the number of peppers Justin picks in 4 as a fraction? Just like the video. What's my denominator going to be? What is it? 1. And then what's my numerator? Focus, please. So this is how you write 4 as a fraction. Just like in the hand movements. with a denominator of 1. Okay. You can use models. Wait a minute. Did I just did 4 circles? Yes, I did. You can use models to help you write a whole number as a fraction with a denominator of 1. Uno. Each circle stands for 1 green pepper. Okay, they're not divided into pieces. In other words, he doesn't have this. Okay, he didn't do this. Are they divided? No, they're not. Okay, so each whole has 1 part. Okay, 1 part. You can use a number line. Okay, from 0 to this one is just 1 whole. Then 2, 3, 4. Okay, the number line is not divided into sections right here. Okay, that's why we have 1 over 1, 2 over 1, 3 over 1, and 4 over 1. Okay, notice that each whole number has equivalent fraction. Okay, the spaces between whole numbers are not divided into parts. In other words, I don't have this. Do I have this? No, I don't. I don't. Okay, 1 is equivalent to 1 over 1. Okay, 2 is equivalent to 2 1s, or 2 over 1. Okay, 3 is equivalent to 4 is equivalent to. Awesome. Okay, look at page 513. So how many parts do 4 green peppers make? How many parts were there? How many circles did I make? 4 of them. Okay. What does the numerator of a fraction show?
The number of parts we're talking about.
Yeah, the number of parts that each whole has. Okay. Or the total number of parts. What does the number of a fraction show? Is the part of a whole. That's what it shows. What does the denominator of a fraction show? The number of the total parts of the whole. Okay. It says write an equivalent fraction to 4. Use the fraction below to help you. So the number of parts described, how many circles do we have? 4 of them. Right? And then the number of each part of each circle was 1. There you go. So 4 over 1. Says use the model below to write a fraction equivalent to 6. Do that for me. Go. A whole number, okay, is represented as a fraction with a denominator of what?
1.
Oh. Oh. That means, what's my denominator?
1.
What's my numerator?
6.
Why 6? There's 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom. Right? Perfect. Draw a model. Okay, wait. Time out. First, we had a model, right? And we had to do a fraction. Now we have a fraction, so draw the model. Go. So it says draw model of 5 over 1 equals 5. So what did you draw? Tell me, what did you draw?
5
5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm done. Just 5. Could I draw 5 circles? Sure. Okay. 5.